Racing our F1 cars at Monza, coming up next. Hello once again, slot car race fans. Welcome back to another exciting night right down here at Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Tonight we'll be racing our F1 race cars right down here in Monza in Italy. And the real Formula One race will be happening on this track on September 8th, 2019. So if you are one of those F1 drivers that's going to be racing this thing for real, well, all the way back here in February of 2019, we at Monster Hobbies will show you F1 drivers all the thrills, chills, and spills of this great racetrack behind me, which you will be racing for real coming up in September. So we have already had all our accidents here and we know where the curves and dangerous hairpins and stuff are. So for you F1 drivers, this is your preview on the real circuit. So if you are racing this thing as an F1 driver and you see this video, please leave a comment in the description below. So race fans, stick around at the end of this video. I will be giving you some more information on our giveaway contest, and until then, let's go down to the races!
Just to see if I pull a car.
Hey, little Ferrari. It'll be Kevin, Trevor, Howard, Glenn, and Mark.
Yeah, so I should get my car back between 2 and 5 days. Oh, I'm planning on it. I'm thinking about it right now. Because when I drove it, even when I drove it, it doesn't sound the same anymore, doesn't feel the same anymore. That's great. I'm probably going to buy it next week. Because it's just easier to get into, easier for the dogs to get into. There's another one that's and what's that next? A Subaru Crosstrek. Hold the value really well. The only thing is keeping the payments the same.
Did you trade it into your dealership?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, brand new. It's the only way to go. I haven't told the wife yet, but I might get surprised. Whoops.
You say Doug?
Whoops.
You say Doug?
If she tunes into this video, she'll know.
You know what? She won't drive my car. She's never driven it. I've owned it for 2 years. She's never driven it. She's been in it. She had a ride in it maybe twice. Maybe 3 times. And that's it. She doesn't like the car. She says, whatever makes you happy, that's fine with her. But she said, for me, no, don't even want to ride it. So I figure, you know what? Driving around in a truck with gas like crazy. Why not switch down and
Eventually you'll have to talk to your brother anyway.
oh, and I'm on the floor.
Just the All right, 56 laps, 5. Kevin, Lee, Glenn, Howard, and Mark. Now here's our standings at the end of the race night. We did 7 races tonight, not 8. I got 38 points, Josh was not here. Howard got 20, Kevin got 58, Mark got 16, and Glenn got 36. So how does this change our standings? Well, let's go over and see. Here are our standings at the end of the night. I am in first place with 297. Kevin is in second place with 285, it's getting pretty close here. Josh is in third with 227. Mark is in fourth with 209. Glenn is fifth with 194. And Howard is in sixth with 132 points. Next week we'll be at Suzuka, Japan, so let's see how that changes everything. It was not a fun and exciting race for F1 cars. And next week we will be our final race at Suzuka, Japan, which is one of our great big tracks. And I want to show this track, Monza, and the build on Suzuka, Japan. But you have to come over and be one of our patrons on our Patreon account. For as little as $3, you can unlock so many tracks. It is amazing. $3 a month, which works out to 10 cents a day, which is less than a cup of coffee in the cheapest place ever on this planet currently to buy a cup of coffee. It's less than that. So check us out on our Patreon account. I will leave a description below. And now a special little word about our upcoming Monster Hobbies giveaway contest. Hello slot car race fans, my name's Trevor Slescu, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Say, how would you like to enter a little contest I'm doing to win this great 1/32 scale digital Carrera wrecker. This is an amazing little model. It has a droppable tailgate so you can hook it up to your other Carrera slot cars. It's got flashing lights, and it even has a horn that sounds. Now, Josh has one of these things, and it is simply amazing. And if you would like to get in on this great thing, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel. We are going to give this away when we have 5,000 likes. Currently, we are at 3,810, so we're getting very close to it. So, all you need to do is leave a comment down below on the link that's in the description to the actual contest. If you leave it here that you want to enter the contest, I will not be able to see it. So go over there and follow the link and put your name down there and subscribe to our channel. And once we hit the 5,000 subscribers, this thing will be raffled off to a lucky winner. Could it be you? Well, subscribe and find out. Now let's go back to our race. Now, slot car race fans, as a final note, I got this from Canada Post, which means that the parcel for the next slot cars for upcoming World Race, where we're going to be racing the Ford GT versus the Chevy Corvette CR7 in the race circuits of Germany, that package is available. I'll have to go pick it up tonight, and just in time because there is actually one more race to go before we get into our new league. So I hope you tune in for that next league and check us out on our giveaway contest. Subscribe, and until then, slot car race fans, happy racing!